Welcome back, YouTube fam. I have some exciting news for most of you who know I did a video back in January stating that we hit the 10,000 subscriber mark, but this month we hit the 30,000 subscriber month. So this is amazing news. The channel is growing. For those of you who have stuck with me from the beginning, thank you, thank you, thank you. And all the newcomers, I thank you and appreciate every single last one of you. My husband and I will continue to provide you guys with great content, and stay tuned for the top supplements that I currently take.
She don't know I got the drop on her like, they don't know I got the drop on them like.
So I've been reading the YouTube comments, and the most common question that I get asked is, what type of supplements do I currently take, and do I take any supplements at all? At the current moment, the only thing I'm really taking is vitamins, as far as proteins, BCAAs, and all the other good stuff that I would take during prep season. I'm not taking right now because I'm not prepping. There is no need for that. If I'm on the go and it's my last resort, then of course I resort to BCAAs and protein powders and things of that nature. So you can get that from food sources. So you don't really need the protein powders. It doesn't make you leaner, it doesn't make you stronger, it doesn't make you look, you know, like you're the best among the rest. It's just a supplement that is fast digesting, and if you are on the go, you have that option to just take a quick protein shake. What I do recommend is after you work out, you have a 30-minute window, especially for beginners. You have a 30-minute window after your workout session to take in protein. You have your lean meat, your turkey breast. You would get that from fishes and beans, lentils, nuts, and things of that nature. Because at times I don't consume all of the vitamins that I need through vegetables. So what I do is I supplement that with the multivitamins. I currently take B12 for a shot of energy, which is amazing. You feel the difference when you take B12. And I also take D3, but D3 is important for me to pair D3 up with green veggies. If not, it can be very poisonous to the body. So pairing D3 with veggies is imperative. A natural source of vitamin D would be being outside in the sun for 30 minutes, but make sure that you have sunscreen on. Regardless of your skin color, wear sunscreen. I take omega-3s. Omega-3s is imperative, especially if you are on your weight loss journey. Omega-3s lowers the risk of heart disease, depression, and arthritis. Whenever you're purchasing your omega-3s, numbers tell you the amount of milligrams that is divided between EPAs and DHAs, and I'll explain what those are later on. So say for instance you have a bottle of omega-3s and you purchase it at GNC, CVS, wherever you may go to get your supplements, and on the label it says the amount of milligrams on the package is 1,400 milligrams. But when they split up the EPAs and DHAs, it's saying that it only has 500 it only had 500 EPAs and 200 DHAs. Where is the rest of the omega-3s coming from? The total amount of EPAs and DHAs is supposed to make up the milligrams in the omega-3 capsule. So what some companies may do, they may implement other omega-3s like flaxseed oil, soybean oil, things like that, which gives you a different type of omega-3. So what happens is when your body metabolizes those different type of omega-3s, you're barely getting just enough. So it's a way to just trick you to purchase a product and you're not getting the full benefits of the natural of omega-3 fatty acids itself. So make sure that the numbers of EPAs and DHAs equates to the total amount of milligrams. Do your research and to find a good brand out there, because truthfully most of it that's out there, you're not getting all the benefits that you could be getting from the omega-3 capsule itself. I really don't consume a lot of supplements unless it's necessary to do so. When will I prep again for a competition? Maybe sometime next year. This year I don't plan on competing. Who knows, maybe later on in the year, we'll see. But right now, I really don't plan on competing this year. I thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for sticking with us. And I will see you next time. Take care.